Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Tooele County in northern Utah until 1 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 12:17 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 20 miles south of Utah Test and Training Range south to Dugway Proving Ground Test Range to 18 miles northeast of Fish Springs Wildlife Refuge, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated and mesonet observed. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dugway English Village, Dugway Proving Ground Test Range, Utah Test and Training Range South, Dell, Knolls, Clive, Skull Valley, Utah Test and Training Range North, and Bonneville Salt Flats. This includes Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 14 and 78. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county, Tooele, Utah.